Hey everyone, this is Isha. Welcome to Beginner's Crochet tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm using 7.5 number crochet hook and the wool is 5 ply wool. I'm going to show you how to make single crochet stitches and also a little trick for making single crochet stitches more neater and uniform. So let's start with making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, put the yarn over the hook like this. The way I am using to make a slip knot is a little different, but I like it the most. If you want to learn making a slip knot from scratch, check my video. I will put the link in the description. Here is my slip knot ready. Do not make it so tight, so it will easier and it will look more clean. Now we'll make chains like this. The first chain is ready. Now again yarn over and pull through the loop. Make chains like this. Here I've made 15 chains. Keep in mind that you should not tighten it up. Keep the chains too loose. Now we'll start making single crochet stitches. Put the hook into the previous stitch. Now pull up a lead. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook like this. Congratulations, you have just made a single crochet stitch. Keep repeating this process until you reach the end of your row. One thing to keep in your mind is to maintaining a proper tension, like the way you are holding in the yarn into your left hand, from where you are taking it into the hook. This is a tension. So maintaining proper tension is an important part of crocheting. If you are holding it in your left hand, the yarn, if you are holding it too loose, then your stitches will be sloppy and uneven. And another side, if you are holding it too tight, it will be difficult to work the hook through the stitches. It will be difficult for you to put the yarn into the stitches. So you need to make the right balance between the tension. Look, it is looking so even, uniform and neat. Okay, I'm doing it one more time. The last one is okay. Now look, the chain from the top, all V-shaped structure formed so even, they are neat. This represents that the tension is right. Now chain 1 and to make the second row, turn your work first and start making the another row. This turning chain helps to keep your work even and prevent gaps between the rows. I mean, if you chain 1 in the starting, it will prevent the gaps and maintain the cleanliness. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and pull through both the loops on the hook. Continue making single crochet stitches in each stitch across the row. keep repeating this process until the end of your row. I am doing it a little fast now. Look, as you can see, it is looking so neat. So this is an important factor in crocheting. If you are maintaining the tension and holding the hook into the right way, then your work will look so neat. And again chain 1 and continue making more rows like the previous one. Put the needle or hook into the first stitch and as second and third. Repeat the same process. I'm doing it a little fast now. Now, at the end, I like to put the hook into a single chain only, like not in both loops. Just put the hook into one chain, yarn over, and pull through the loop. Yarn over again and pull through both the loops. It is looking straight at the corner. Now I will share a little trick for making a single crochet stitch look neater and more uniform. Start with making a slip knot. If you want to look how I am making it more in a slow way, you can check my video. Now I am making foundation chain. Now, instead of inserting your hook under both loops of the stitch, we insert the hook under both loops, but instead of that, you can see behind it is a little loop, so only insert it under the back loop. It is a little time taking, and do the same thing. The difference is just that only insert it under the back loop. You can do it like this also. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Repeat the same way. This creates a slight ridge on the front of your work. You will see the difference, I will show you. And it also makes your stitches more distinct and evenly spaced. Repeat the same thing. It is slightly a little time taking, but look the difference. There are a formation of V-like chain at the bottom also. Now I'm showing you again. Take the yarn, pull through the loop. Now one more time. Okay. Now you can see it is looking similar at both ends, at the bottom also and the top also. Having V shape at both ends. Now chain 1, turn your work. Look, I made some rows so you can see the difference clearly. Look, it has V shape at the bottom also, but in the previous one, wait, I am showing you, the previous one did not have that. Look, it has only a single stitches at the bottom, as you can see. Let me show you in a more better way. Maybe now you are able to see the difference. The second way, it is more correct, like if you want the thickness same all over your work, then use the second way. Alright, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and yeah, stay happy and shiny. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a great day.